Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to automatically open any website on startup on Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open any website that you like, any web browser that you like. I open Google Chrome and here in search type your website name. In my case, I want to open Wikipedia. So I type Wikipedia, type your website name and open your website. Open your website. Here we find my website is open that I want to open on a Windows 10 startup. Here is my website name. After that, go to the start and here type run. Click on the run. Here type shell startup. Type as it is shell startup. Click on the OK and startup folder is open now. I minimize it and I go to the address bar or the URL of our website. And after that, here we find view site information. Click at here or go to the here, scroll at here or hover to here and click at here and drag this to our startup folder. Here is our program startup folder. Click on the drag this to the startup folder and here we find our website shortcut. Close it, close this and go to the start. Go to the power button and restart our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Log into your Windows, wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, your website is automatically open in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you guys.